Well, this is going to be the next project. I picked up a 1986 Corvette. It's got the Z-51 package, which just means it's got better suspension. I think it's got... I'll have to go through all that, but...
So this is a little bit about what's in the package.
Not in that bad of a shape. Just have to go over it, see what we got here. It came from New Jersey, so over there they got a license plate on the front of these things. Let's see. Really needs to be cleaned out, but definitely smells like cigarettes in here. Somebody was a heavy smoker. And needs to be cleaned up, needs the carpet replaced, which at least with these interiors you could take the whole thing apart basically with a Phillips screwdriver. I was thinking of doing the bread box delete since it's in bad shape. Might just take that off, but it looks like everything's there. It's got the 4-speed Doug Nash, which they call it the 4+3. Not that it's got 3 extra gears. They're mainly overdrive gears in between. I guess it's 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Yeah, you know what? One thing you want to check. I got the title, and I should check the VIN number. We know that the VIN numbers are here, but in '86 and up, they started putting them on the inside console here. There's all the codes. You can see right there, it's got the Z-51 package, and the rest are whatever options there are. This gives you a little idea of what's in the package, or all the different codes. I highlighted in yellow what mine has, just to give you an idea. I guess these are all the options you could have gotten from the factory and what it would have cost. Here we got just a quick tip. You can see there's water can get in here, so you just want to make sure that this is clear. This is what happens. You get debris in there, and then the drain gets clogged and it fills up with water. And what can happen is, if this continues to fill up with water, you're going to get water in your gas tank. Not good. So just a tip to keep the drain clean and get all the debris out. This is from cars that have been sitting. Just a quick tip. I just jammed like a wire down in there. Cleared it out, it's starting to drain, so that's all you need to do. One of the things you want to do too is, if you're going to be working inside for a while with all the doors open, you want to take the fuse out for the dome lights. Your fuse panels on the passenger side here, and you just, well, now this is interesting. I never saw this before. Somebody must have added something. I don't know if that goes to maybe an alarm, but anyway, you can pull the fuse so that your dome lights don't stay on while you're working with the doors open. I gotta figure what that is. Yeah, to open the back window, there's like 3 different ways to do it. In your center console, there's a button down in here for the release. But on your driver door, right down here, there's a release. And you actually have one on the passenger side, just in case you're on this side and you want to open it, or you ask your passenger to unlock it. So that's how you can get the back window open. And I gotta start cleaning here.